How to fix lower belly pooch with these exercises. Many people struggle with stubborn lower belly fat, often called the belly pooch. Even if you eat a healthy diet and exercise regularly, that small bulge at the bottom of your stomach can be tough to get rid of. The truth is, lower belly fat is not only about appearance, it's also linked to health problems like insulin resistance, bloating, and poor posture. The good news: with the right exercises, nutrition, and lifestyle changes, you can flatten your lower belly and build a stronger, healthier core. Let's break down why lower belly pooch happens and the best moves to fix it. Why does the lower belly pooch appear? Before jumping into exercises, it's important to understand the causes. 1. Excess body fat. If your calorie intake is higher than your calorie burn, your body stores the extra energy as fat. For many people, this fat accumulates in the belly, especially the lower part. 2. Weak core muscles. When your abdominal muscles, especially the lower abs, are weak, the belly sticks out. Weak core muscles also affect your posture, making the pooch more visible. 3. Bloating and poor digestion. Digestive issues, gas, or food intolerances can cause the lower belly to look swollen and bloated, even if you don't have much fat. 4. Hormones. Hormonal changes, especially in women, can trigger fat storage in the belly area. Cortisol, the stress hormone, also plays a big role in stubborn belly fat. 5. Posture problems. Slouching or sitting for long hours causes your lower stomach to push out. Over time, this can create the appearance of a belly pooch. Can you spot reduce lower belly fat? Here's the truth: you cannot burn fat from just one spot in your body. Fat loss happens overall. But when you combine cardio, strength training, and specific AB exercises, you can burn overall fat, strengthen your lower abs, improve posture, reduce bloating. This combination makes the lower belly pooch shrink and eventually disappear. The best exercises to fix lower belly pooch. These exercises target the lower abs, obliques, and core stability muscles. Do them 3 to 4 times a week, combined with cardio and a healthy diet. 1. Reverse crunches. Lie flat on your back with arms by your sides. Bend your knees at 90 degrees and lift your legs. Use your lower abs to curl your hips off the ground. Slowly lower back down. Why it works? Unlike traditional crunches, this directly targets the lower abdominal muscles. 2. Leg raises. Lie flat with legs extended. Keep your core tight and slowly lift your legs to a 90-degree angle. Lower them down without letting your feet touch the floor. Why it works? Builds strong lower abs and tightens the stomach. 3. Scissor kicks. Lie on your back with legs extended. Lift both legs a few inches above the floor. Move them up and down in a scissor-like motion. Why it works? Strengthens lower abs plus hip flexors and improves endurance. 4. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs. Continue alternating as fast as possible. Why it works? Combines cardio plus core engagement, which burns calories while sculpting abs. 5. Plank. With hip dips, get into a forearm plank position. Rotate your hips side to side, almost touching the floor. Keep your core tight and controlled. Why it works? Targets obliques plus lower abs, tightening the waistline. 6. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with hands behind your head. Bring one knee toward your chest while twisting your opposite elbow to meet it. Alternate sides like pedaling a bike. Why it works? Engages entire core plus obliques while boosting fat burning. 7. Flutter kicks. Lie flat with legs extended. Lift both legs slightly off the ground. Kick your feet up and down in small, quick movements. Why it works? Burns out the lower abs. Great for finishing a workout. Extra tips to flatten your lower belly. Exercise alone is not enough. To really get rid of the pooch, you need to combine it with lifestyle changes. 1. Eat a clean diet. Cut down on sugary drinks, refined carbs, and processed foods. Add more vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Reduce sodium to prevent bloating. 2. Stay hydrated. Water helps reduce water retention and bloating. Aim for at least 8 glasses per day. 3. Improve your posture. Stand tall with shoulders back and core engaged. Good posture instantly makes the belly look flatter. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which encourages belly fat storage. Try yoga, meditation, or deep breathing to reduce stress levels. 5. Sleep well. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and cravings for sugary foods. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. A sample lower belly workout routine. Here's a quick 10-minute workout to try at home. Leg raises to 12 reps, mountain climbers. 30 seconds reverse crunches. 12 reps plank with hip dips. 30 seconds scissor kicks to 20 reps, flutter kicks to 20 reps. Repeat the circuit 2 to 3 times for a killer lower AB session. How long until you see results? Consistency is key. With proper nutrition, cardio, and ABA-focused workouts, most people notice changes within 4 to 8 weeks. Your stomach feels tighter, your posture improves, and the belly pooch begins to shrink. Remember, everyone's body is different, so progress depends on your metabolism, diet, and workout routine. Stay patient and consistent. Final thoughts: fixing your lower belly pooch isn't about endless crunches. It's about combining targeted exercises, clean eating, and lifestyle habits. By strengthening your lower abs, improving digestion, managing stress, and burning overall fat, you can finally say goodbye to the stubborn belly bulge. Stick to these exercises, take care of your body, and you'll not only flatten your belly, but also build a stronger, healthier core for life.